Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not really gonna bore you with a big long intro, but today's video is just going to be a short little eyeshadow tutorial on the eyeshadow look that I'm currently wearing right now. It's just a really warm eyeshadow look with a pop of color, and I really love this teal color right here. So if you guys are interested on how I got this makeup look, then you guys can go ahead and keep on watching, and it also mean the world to me if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on in. So because this is an eyeshadow tutorial, I went ahead and just did the rest of my face, and so now I can just focus on the eyes. So the first palette that I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Prism palette. I'm only going to be using two. It's the Anastasia Prism palette and then the Juvias Masquerade Mini palette. So the first shade I'm going to use is Sphere right here, which is this bright neon yellow shade. And the brush that I'm going to be using is my Morphe M573 brush. I zoomed you guys in so you could get a better idea of what I'm doing, but I'm just using that first shade as my transition shade. So I'm going to pop it into this crease area right here and just kind of work it all around. So I'm going to dip into the color Eden right here with that same brush and place that in the same area as we put the transition shade. The next color I'm going in with is Saturn right here, and I'm just going to take it on my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to dip into here and target that more towards the outer corner and the crease as well. I'm taking a little bit of that Sphere color right here and just softening up the outer edges. And now I'm jumping into this Juvias Masquerade Mini palette, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to use this lighter brown shade right here called Burkina. I'm going to use that same MAC 217 brush that we used previously for the outer corner. I'm deepening up my outer corner even more, so I'm going to use this darker brown shade right here on the corner. I'm going to carve out my inner corner, so I'm just using a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just putting a little bit on each side and using my Sigma concealer brush to carve it out. Right where we carved out that inner corner, I'm going to use this blue shade, which is called Zola. It's just like a really, really pretty light blue teal shade. And I'm just going to use that same concealer brush that we used. It's probably going to look a little bit disconnected from the outer corner to that blue shade, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that Saturn shade right here on that MAC 217 brush and just kind of smudge everything together and blend it all in. With that same concealer brush, I'm just going to flip it around, and I'm going to take this Lucid color right here and pack that right on top of that blue, and then on the inner corner and on my brow bone as well. Now I'm just coating my lashes using the Benefit They're Real mascara. Actually, this isn't the real Roller Lash mascara right before I put on my lashes. So this is a look all finished up with the lashes. If you guys are wondering what lashes I'm using, these are the Pure Pro lashes. They're 3D cruelty-free luxe lashes, and these are in the style Bombshell. I really, really love these lashes. They are super, super long and really dramatic. So if you guys are wanting some of the other ones, I think the other ones that I used are called Socialite, and those are a little bit more like an everyday glam rather than like these, which are like super, super glam. I was not expecting that, but they're still really pretty nonetheless. So this is just the finished look. If you guys also are wondering what lips I'm using, I just am using the ColourPop I Love Sarah E collection, and this is in the color Curvy. It's just a lip gloss. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial. If there's anything else you guys want to see with any of these two palettes, let me know what colors you guys like, and I will definitely create another look for you guys. Thank you so much for out of breath. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!